What's up, XRP holders? And yes guys, we finally got that huge breakout for XRP, for crypto, that we all anticipated here on the channel. Absolutely fantastic. But the big question right now is, what is next for crypto, for XRP? Are we just gonna continue higher here in a straight line without any headwinds, or are there some things that you need to be aware of right now if you're a crypto XRP investor? Guys, I might have the answers for you in this quick video. I want to show you a few things in the charts of XRP on chain that are painting a clear picture into what we should expect here price-wise short term. First, of course, don't forget to like the video. Can we get this one back above 1,000 likes? I appreciate every single one of you watching these videos, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first chart that we need to focus on is on XRP's 2-day time frame. So every candlestick represents 2 days, and what is interesting here is that we are seeing a bullish crossover between two important moving averages. And what you can see in history is that at the beginning of the rally, which started in November, beginning of November for XRP, we also had a bullish crossover between this yellow and white moving average for XRP, and that eventually led to a massive rally. Right now we're seeing the same thing. We just had this golden crossover, and yes, here we also had one with a minor push to the upside for XRP, but I definitely believe that this could be an interesting development in terms of the momentum. What we're also seeing right here on the RSI on the bottom side of the screen, and this is the 3-day time frame, is that XRP's RSI actually broke the downtrend. We had this downward sloping resistance since January on the RSI, multiple touch points, or December even, and we broke beyond this trend line. And this is an important signal because the same thing happened in November. We had this downward sloping resistance on the RSI. The moment XRP's RSI broke this downtrend was the moment where price exploded to the upside. And right now, guys, as you can see, we are spotting the same thing. So there are a lot of things currently pointing to more upside for XRP. Also, this one we are really spotting the breakout here on the 3-day time frame. So we are closing candles beyond the resistance, which is beautiful to see for XRP. So I'm in favor of a lot more upside. And also here, another interesting pattern, a double bottom formation, which looks perfect here for XRP. And we are on the verge of breaking above this very nice double bottom formation, and the price could send as high as $4 or $5 here short term for XRP. So guys, I'm very bullish. I'm optimistic. I think the $5 price target is in sight for XRP here. Let's say somewhat in the coming days, perhaps weeks for XRP. What is also notable here is that retail interest, if we look at the Google's trends indicator with search term XRP for the past 30 days, we are seeing an uptick in retail interest, as you can see over here. And that could be, I would say, a little bit more, I don't want to call it bearish, but something to be a little bit more cautious about just in the immediate short term. So just be aware of that if you're currently FOMOing into XRP or into crypto. Now, if we look at what the whales are currently doing, they are definitely stacking up on XRP, because this is one of the whales that I am tracking here, and he basically purchased 1 million XRP tokens 17 hours ago on the Binance exchange, worth $2.4 million. So does he know something? Is this smart money? I definitely think that this is an interesting development to watch closely. What you also can see, and we spoke about this for multiple weeks here on the channel, is that XRP took the liquidity from the short positions, which was piling up around $3.30. As you can see, beautiful short squeeze here on the liquidation heat map, and there is still a little bit of liquidity above the current price. So I also think that XRP is going to take out the liquidity here at $2.60 or $2.65, approximately the swing highs from actually the beginning of May. So this is also a very good development here for XRP. So for now, guys, I'm bullish. I'm still in favor of more upside. My first major target is, of course, the swing high from the 13th of February at $3.40, and eventually $5 and maybe even higher for XRP. That's it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, of course. Also follow me over on Instagram. The link is down below. I'm posting XRP content over there, crypto content, which I'm not always publishing here on YouTube. So it's definitely worth to give me a follow over there. For now, I think that the second half of this year is going to be extremely bullish. Most gains will be realized here in the second half. So be smart about it. I would say diamond hands for now. Of course, not financial advice. Stay strong, and I see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.